Let's understand XPath from a very beginner level because the basics of XPath everyone must understand because XPath is based on logic. It's not like we are selecting randomly or something. So and we need to select or we need to make XPath or find the element in the DOM in such a way that even if the DOM changes or if something is added in the DOM, then that XPath logic should work to fetch that XPath, and driver must not fail because of XPath. The scripts must not fail, or we flaky test or flaky execution of the test should not happen. For that, proper XPath should be provided in the automation framework. So as we can see in the figure, this is the basic HTML structure of a DOM, and like table, tr, td, and all the rows and columns are there, and we have a DOM tree as well. This will help us to understand the XPath better, and we also have like basic XPath symbols. So I will be telling you the uses of XPath, like when to use what and all. So in like first, if we are providing a single slash, then it is a direct child. So you have been seen in like whenever we write the absolute XPath, so we use only single slash everywhere. So that means that it goes one by one, line by line, or step by step in the DOM to find that element. So whenever a DOM changes or like something updates in the DOM, then every XPath or every absolute XPath will definitely fail. And this is not a correct practice in automation framework for designing the automation framework. So we mostly or almost we avoid absolute XPath. This has been I have already told this in my previous video as well. So apart from that, we mostly use relative XPath. So for relative XPath, it is the most convenient way, and we use double slash. So it will be fetching the any descendant of the DOM at any level. Uh, at the rate symbol we use for attribute mapping, or like finding the attribute with the help of at the rate. Then we use closed bracket inside that we used to write any condition, like there are conditions in the code like if and else. It is you can think of it like that only, like while searching the web element in the DOM, we provide a condition like if in a close bracket we are providing like uh, text is equal to, and we have provided a particular text or like partial text. So that is a condition inside that close bracket, and then that will find the text inside that particular whatever the XPath we have provided. Now other concept comes of XPath access. So this is the most important concept. So why this is at all needed in the first place? We will understand this like if there are multiple policies, okay, uh, and there is a button of accept and reject button. This happens in like banking application. So there will be a unique policy number, and related to each unique policy number there will be accept button and reject button. So in the DOM there will be multiple TDs, and under that there will be multiple TD button, as you can see in HTML code as well. So there will be not a single, like there will be, if there are 50 claims, then there will be 50 buttons with an approve. So if we are using a relative XPath, so in that case what will happen is it will be fetching only we need to provide index based. searching. So in a relative XPath also we can provide index based searching, but that is a wrong approach. Like selecting the first approve, second approve, third approve. So that is not the correct approach, right? So here the parent-child relationship, following sibling relationship, ancestor descendant relationship, or roughly we can say the XPath access work. So what we will do is, like, first we will with the help of relative XPath, what we will do is we will find a particular claim ID by providing the partial text. Then we will again go to that TR, or like using the parent relationship. Then again we will hover to that button, and then we will do the certain needful actions on that. I hope you have got the rough basic idea. uh, we will discuss this in the future videos in detail about this, so don't worry about that. And yeah, so you can also search on the internet about these all things. These are very important topics for designing the test automation framework. And I will tell you one thing, like most of the time we the script maintenance mostly in the working environment or maintaining the automation test scripts, mostly we work on maintaining the XPaths if the code is not correct, or if the XPaths are not provided correctly. So XPath plays a very important role in the maintaining, or in like the quality of the automation framework, the scripts pass percentage and everything. Whenever we run a regression suit, it depends on this XPath, or we can say this is the important part of an automation framework. So we must be perfect in this.